Arkansas at the Loves. We had a little bit of rain last night. It wasn't very heavy, so it didn't wake me up or anything. And I had no wind, so the truck wasn't really rocking. And so we're gonna make it down close to Houston today. Just a little after 5 a.m. But in a moment, we're gonna get going, hit the old road as it were, and hopefully we have a pretty decent day without any problems. But that's always the wish, no matter what day it is. Yeah, so most of the weather's pushed off to the east. So we're gonna get down to Memphis, or West Memphis. Get on I-40, take that over to Little Rock. Little Rock, we're going to do a fuel. Top up the tanks. Then we'll get on 30. Then we'll get on, forget what back road it was. US 59. Take that down to, get through Nacogdoches, get through Lufkin. That'll take us on down to Houston. So other than that, we got a pretty easy day ahead of us. Just drive. Decided they were going to do whatever they pleased. Because I filled my truck with diesel and DEF, washed off my mirrors, and they still are not back out to move their truck away from the yellow line so I can get out. You pull up to the yellow line to go in and get your receipt. Get a bottle of water or a cup of coffee, and you come right back out. If you're doing anything other than that, you pull yourself up into a parking spot. It's not a difficult thing to do. It really isn't. Basic courtesy. And I'm fairly sure if somebody was blocking this prime driver, this prime driver would be bitching up a storm. There's no excuse for it. None. I don't stop there to go in and grab something to eat, go to the bathroom. I have enough basic courtesy to say, hey, there's a parking spot over there. Let me pull up there and do that. Or in those cases where there is no parking spot, I get up into the truck and I get rolling and I go to another place where there is room. It's not hard. Courtesy is not a hard thing to do. You know, all I wanted to do was, you know, get my fuel and do my load check and get going. But now I can't do that because somebody who wants to be rude and inconsiderate and selfish is blocking me in. Why is this such a hard thing? I don't get it. So now I got to go in and start accosting people because they're idiots. There you go, Prime. It's not hard. It really isn't. So this is what I have to do. I have to come in here and get someone to move their damn truck out of the yellow line so I can leave.
Other drivers, please pull forward from the vehicle island. You are finished fueling. Thank you.
Are you ready?
Yeah, receipt 12086.
Okay, so it makes you.
And there's a prime driver blocking the pump.
Then you have to do it. I don't know if you want to. Wait till you're done and just start.
What pump is it?
I forget.
You want to come back for your receipts anyway. Yeah.
They just blocked it. You got the yellow line just blocking it, sitting. I don't know if they came in for a shower or whatnot, but blocking the lane like the mess
What's
was.
your name, sir? What's your name?
Robert.
Do you need to add any oil or anything?
Oh no, change my mind on that. Sorry.
Pump 25.
Slow.
Good morning. Somebody on there. Somebody with the maintenance facility. Hello.
All right, how you doing?
Attention, professional drivers. Will the driver of the prime truck that's on pump 25 move your truck? The driver has fueled and he is ready to go. Once again,
Thank
pump
you, ma'am.
25.
Thank you.
Prime. Please move your truck when in front of the pump. Please be courteous to the lady.
And unfortunately, we got to do that. We have to be begging people to move their vehicles when basic courtesy dictates you just move your vehicle. I swear, it's ridiculous. I shouldn't have to sit here and wait because somebody's being a lazy jackass. truck number. Swear, it's no damn courtesy whatsoever. None. See, nobody coming to the truck. Oh. That's the kind of crap that I can't stand. So I can't be backing out of here because there's no room to back out. And that's a dangerous maneuver. I don't want to be backing up. I want to back up as little as I possibly can. But heaven forbid that you actually consider somebody else. You know, where is manners gone to? I don't get it. I just don't get it. It doesn't hurt you to park in a parking spot. There's parking spots over there. There's parking spots, you know, behind me. Can't see them in the mirror, but they're behind. There's parking spots behind me. There's no reason why you're parked here. No reason whatsoever. Oh, is this the idiot who doesn't know how to drive? Well, thanks a lot, Prime. I appreciate you moving out the way. Moron. Why is it so hard? Come on. Waste enough of my time already. Drive like an asshole. Might as well keep doing that. Alright, another 156 miles down the road to Texarkana. We'll stop for our next load check and a 30-minute break.